How to remove someone from best friend list on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Snapchat. You will have to know that there is no direct method of removing someone from your best friend list. However, you can either unfriend them or block them. To do so, tap on their profile icon, then tap on the three dot, go to manage friendship, and then there you will find an option of remove friend or block. If you simply want to remove them as your friend or block them, you can use that option. But if you want or if you do not want others to find out that they are your best friends, what you can do is go to settings, scroll down, and from here go to additional services, go to manage, and then there you should see an option of friend emojis. Look, find that option, and then you can change the friend emojis and put something different emojis that is meant for best friends, and nobody will find out what that emoji stands for. Tap on customize emojis, and here you can see different options. Go to besties and you can choose some random emojis. Now nobody will know you are best friends with that person on Snapchat when they open your account. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.